Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of the human brain. This 3-pound organ, nestled within our skulls, is the most complex object in the known universe. It's responsible for everything we do, think, and feel. Here are 10 fascinating facts about the brain that will blow your mind. Imagine a world with more stars than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's roughly the number of neurons in your brain, 100 billion. Each neuron is a tiny information processing unit, capable of forming connections with thousands of other neurons. These connections, called synapses, create a vast and intricate network that allows your brain to process information with astonishing speed and complexity. Every thought, memory, and sensation is the result of billions of neurons firing in concert. This incredible network of neurons is what allows us to learn, love, create, and experience the universe around us. Over millions of years, our brains have evolved to become increasingly complex, capable of processing information and solving problems in ways that no other species on Earth can match. Scientists are still working to understand how all these neurons work together to create the experience of being human. The human brain is an extraordinary marvel of nature, and the more we learn about it, the more we realize just how much we don't know. You know how we say it's all in your head when talking about pain tolerance? Well, it turns out there's a literal truth to that. The brain itself doesn't have any pain receptors. That's right. The very organ that processes pain signals from the rest of your body can't feel pain itself. This lack of pain receptors allows surgeons to perform brain surgery while the patient is awake. This might sound terrifying, but it's actually a crucial technique for certain procedures. By keeping the patient awake, surgeons can monitor their brain activity in real time, ensuring that they don't damage any critical areas involved in speech, movement, or other vital functions. During these awake surgeries, patients can describe their sensations, move their limbs, and even engage in conversation, all while surgeons operate on their brains. It's a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of this remarkable organ. Pain, while unpleasant, is also an essential part of our survival mechanism. The brain's ability to function without feeling pain highlights its incredible adaptability, compensating for damage, rewiring itself, and finding new ways to process information. The human brain, for all its wonders, is a bit of an energy hog. It accounts for about 2% of our body weight, yet it gobbles up a whopping 20% of our daily energy intake. Your brain is constantly working, even when you're not consciously aware of it. It's busy processing information from your senses, regulating your bodily functions, and keeping you alive and functioning. This energy is primarily derived from glucose, a type of sugar that your body extracts from the food you eat. That's why it's so important to fuel your brain with a healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. So, the next time you reach for a snack, remember that you're not just feeding your stomach. You're fueling the most complex and remarkable organ in your body. Just imagine if we could build computers that were as efficient as the human brain. Chapter 4. Neuroplasticity. For a long time, scientists believed that the adult brain was fixed and unchangeable. But in recent decades, we've discovered that the brain is far more dynamic and adaptable than we ever imagined. This remarkable ability is called neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Every new skill we learn, every memory we form, every challenge we overcome physically reshapes our brains. Neuroplasticity is what allows us to learn new things, recover from strokes and brain injuries, and adapt to new challenges. Negative experiences like trauma or chronic stress can also lead to harmful changes in the brain. So, embrace new challenges, keep learning, and never underestimate the incredible power of your brain to adapt, evolve, and amaze you. Chapter 5. 70,000 thoughts per day. Our brains are abuzz with activity, constantly generating a stream of thoughts, ideas, and mental images. Researchers estimate that the average person experiences roughly 70,000 thoughts per day. These thoughts reflect our inner world, our hopes and fears, our dreams and aspirations, our worries and anxieties.